In this video, I'll show you how to trade on OKX simple options. If you have an OKX account, you can go to trade here, options, and then simple options. And then it takes us through to this screen. This is an easy way to enter into some options trades. The difference being, this is the professional screen, which is incredibly complex. I've got some videos going through how to trade options more professionally, so I'll leave those down in the description. But if you're just looking to get started, this is a much easier way to actually take those trades. If you don't have an OKX account, I'll leave that link below as well. You can get a bonus when signing up if you're a new user. I'll leave some other helpful videos and some links to the other exchanges I use with deposit and trading bonuses all down in the description below. The first type of trade that we'll look at benefits from the price rising. Hence, I think BTC will rise. You click that and you can go ahead and enter the trade. What we're actually doing under the surface is buying a call option. A call option is the option to buy in the future. So what we're doing is buying the option to buy in the future at a certain price. And of course, if we can buy at this certain price and the market price rises above that, then we can make the difference. And that's a profitable trade where we benefit from the price rising. So let's go over what a call option is and how it would work. So let's say someone has Bitcoin. The current price is 100,000. We're going to enter into a trade with them where we have the option to buy their Bitcoin in the future at 101,000. Now, in order for that option, we have to pay a small amount of cash to them to be able to take this trade. That's known as an options premium right here. So we pay $100 and we have the right to buy Bitcoin from them next week at 101,000. If the price next week is 102,000, we make money because we can buy from them at 101 and we can sell immediately 102 and we pocket the difference. So per 1 unit of Bitcoin, but you can trade any fraction, you can trade any amount here. But let's say per 1 unit of Bitcoin trade, we make $1,000 because we can buy at 101 and sell at 102 immediately, minus the premium that we pay because we never get that back. That's a premium that we pay them for the option. So minus $100. So we make $900 on that trade if the price rises. If the price falls, then we won't exercise the option, and that means we won't make any money, and we would have also have paid them that $100 and we never get that back. So it's essentially you either win or lose, right? If you lose, you just lose the option, and if you win, you can actually win quite a lot in percentage terms versus the very cheap amount of premium that you paid. So the reason why people trade options is because you can pay a very small amount in a premium, and if the trade works, you can get a big payoff if the trade goes in your favor. Let's go through a sample trade then that benefits when the price rises. So we're going to click, I think Bitcoin price will rise. Here's the target price. Let's say that we think the Bitcoin price can get to 107,000 by next week. The current Bitcoin price is 105,600. Our target price is 107,000. And it's recommending this one here, which is the 106,000 call option. So the current price is 105,600. We're going to buy an option to buy at 106,000. You can see that here. And we have to pay a premium for that. So it gives us the break-even price here, which is 106,586. So this is per one contract, right? So you can trade any amount. But if we think per contract, you can immediately tell what the premium is because the strike price is 106, but our break even is 106 plus the premium, which is 106,586 per contract. So you can immediately tell what the premium is that we're paying. And if by the expiration of the option, the price is 106,586 or above, we make money. If it's below, we pay that premium amount and that's it. So we can click buy here. And you just have to choose how much BTC that you want to get into for the trade. We actually trade in contracts here, not Bitcoin. So you can see for a 1 BTC trade, that's going to cost us one contract mostly, which is $600. Let's see if we can do a smaller amount. You can, right? So you can trade a fraction of that, and it's going to cost you $6 there, right? So you can put any amount in. But this is basically the premium that you pay, this one right here. This is the price of the premium that is being traded. So you have to pay that to get the option. If you pay that out, you get the option to buy at 106 in the future. In any case, you can buy any amount that you want. As you can see here, you can just put that in. And then we know that the call option expires on the 10th of June. So the 0610, right? So 10th of June. That's the expiry date. That's the break-even price. So you just have to think by that date, is the price going to be there or above? If it is, then you go ahead and trade. If you win, you can get a big payoff as the price rises. If you lose, your options premium is done and out and you won't get that back. If we think the Bitcoin price is going to fall, we can take the exact opposite trade. This is actually buying a put or buying the option to sell in the future. And think of that a little bit like insurance, right? You're paying a premium to the insurance company for the right to, get the car fixed in the future, right? For us, we're paying a premium for the right to sell at a certain price. Now, if the price falls below that, we can make money. So the current price is 105,600 again. I think Bitcoin will fall. Select target price, 100,000. So within the time frame, the Bitcoin price has to fall from 105 all the way down to 100. But we do pay premiums as well, so it probably has to fall a little bit more than that as well. But you can see there's a few different puts that we can buy. So this one expires on the 27th of the 6th. The break-even price is 101,900. This one is a little bit shorter dated, so that expires on the 13th. And the break-even price is more or less the same. This one even shorter dated, so it expires on the 10th. So we can work out the premium that we have to pay and then the break-even price very easily again. So let's buy this one. So we know that the premium is trading at 147. The reason being is that you can see the price is 103 for this put. So that's giving us the option to sell in the future. So the current price is 105. We will buy this and have the right to sell at 103,500 plus the premium, which is a small premium on top. So our break even is 103,355, right? So the price has to come down even further, right, to give us our money. So buy this, put the amount in, and then you just pay the premium as it is. Now, if the price doesn't fall to the break even, then we lose that premium completely. If the price falls at or below, we start making money. So this is downside protection. And again, if you get the trade wrong, then the premium that you paid out is all gone. And if it gets to your break even or even below that, you start making money in the trade. Trading options like this is known as a very low cost way of trading the price of the asset because you only have to put a very small amount of premium down in order to take the trade. And if the trade goes in your favor, the amount that you can make in percentage terms versus the amount of cash that you put down can be very large. The downside of that, though, is that if the trade moves against you, all of the premium that you paid is out the door and you're never getting that back, right? So you basically zeroed on that trade. So this is for short-term trading, speculating, or even hedging around other positions that you have in your investment portfolio. I'll leave some other more in-depth videos on options. The Crypto Investor course has an entire options trading section as well that goes much more in-depth about what it is to trade options. You can see all those videos here. We've got a futures trading section as well and many other videos. I'll leave that link down below in the description. Deposit and trading bonus to OKX and the other exchanges I use down there as well, and some other helpful videos. I'm James, it's MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.